Thank you for asking your query. By the end of this audio report, you will get at least 5 insights that you may not have known earlier. Stay tuned till the end, as I will also express my own learnings. As a disclaimer, this report is only for educational purposes. Please do your own due diligence before taking investment decisions. Today we will be doing a brief summary research report on Shipping Corporation of India. So let's go into the details. First is the revenue mix. 100% of the revenue of Shipping Corporation of India comes through sea and coastal freight water transport. Now we shall go to the segment breakup. In the segment breakup, 40.9% goes from the tanker business, 29.3% goes in the linear business, 23% comes from the bulk business, and the balance 6.5% comes from technical and offshore activities. Coming to the location wise, 82.9% of its business comes from India, 7.3% from Singapore, and 9.8% from others. Coming to the important aspect, where does Shipping Corporation of India earn its profits? Coming to the operating profit breakup, the bulk carrier contributes more than 54.7% and the liner business contributes 45.3%. We shall go down into the details of the operational metrics for Shipping Corporation. Shipping Corporation has 95 number of ships. So this is a fantastic achievement. This data is as on March 22nd. Also it has 18 number of ships for crude carriers and 13 number of ships for product carriers. Now we shall go down into other details of Shipping Corporation of India. Shipping Corporation of India is engaged in sea and coastal freight water transport business. The company segments include liner segment, bulk segment, technical and offshore, and others. The liner segment includes break bulk, container transport, passenger vehicles and passenger vessels, and research vessels managed on behalf of other organizations. The bulk segment includes tankers, dry bulk carriers, gas carriers, phosphoric acid carriers, and liquefied natural gas vessels managed on behalf of joint venture companies. The technical and offshore services segment includes the company-owned offshore vessels managed on behalf of other organizations. It offers technical consultancy. Other segment includes maritime training, institute operations. Its own fleet includes bulk carriers, crude oil tankers, container vessels, passenger cargo vessels, product tankers, liquefied petroleum gas, and ammonia carriers and offshore supply vessels. Now let's go down into the financial aspects. So Shipping Corporation of India has a good sales history. From a turnover of 3,469 crores in 2018, the turnover has jumped to 4,995 crores in the year 2022. Also, there has been good sales growth in the last quarter. The September quarter registered a 16.3% sales growth, and the turnover touched 1,420 crores in the second quarter. However, the net profits have fallen sharply. The net profits in the September quarter was just 124.38 crores. So this is a drawback of the financials of the company. Also, its ROE has been pretty inconsistent. From a ROE of 0.64% in 2018, it jumped to 34.89% for the year ended March 31st, 2022. Coming to the valuations, with a price to sales ratio of just 1.10 and P ratio of 8.86, this company is undervalued. Also, it has a 5-year positive return of 41.68% and a 3-year positive return of 112.98%. For the last 4 years, there has been good cash and it has been able to generate good amount of free cash flow. Free cash flow has been consistent and risen from 434 crores in the year 2019 and jumped to 1,151 crores. So overall, if I was an investor, I would definitely invest in better companies, companies which have stronger fundamentals, companies which have better sales growth and better profitability. Also, an important point to be noted is that the EPS has been falling steadily for Shipping Corporation of India. It has fallen to 2.67 in the September quarter. So all this points to a decline in net profits. So this is the brief research report on Shipping Corporation of India. Thanking you from Ashish.